Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you the best thread tool that you can use for warming up multiple thread accounts. So here is my tool, and so first of all is the account management. So you can add and manage unlimited Instagram and thread account here, and the account you can create or buy. I prefer you can buy for the best, and you can choose the account like this and left click, and you can choose login account, and the tool will auto open browser and log into the account like this. Okay, so next to warm up multiple thread account, I will go to thread function in here. So you can choose many options like about thread, thread comment, thread interaction, setting thread. It means you auto align, auto comment to any post or video on thread that you want, or auto change thread information or history of interaction. So to warm up my thread accounts, I will go to thread interaction. Okay, so first I will select the account that I want to warm up first, and next I will set up the basic configuration. So first is a breakable time duration. I will set from 10 to 20 seconds. And next you can choose the content that you want to comment to any post that you want. Okay, so next is the interactive configuration. You can choose interact type, you can interact with new feed, you can interact with profile, and you can enter the UID of a profile that you want to interact with. And you can interact with the keyword, and you will enter the keyword in here, and each keyword is aligned. Next, I will choose the option about interaction that I want to interact with. I can choose the scroll new feed from the thread account. I will set up from maybe from 15 to 20 seconds, like from 10 to 20, and random follow from 5 to 10. And after everything set up, I press start and let the software warm up my account. So here you can see the result. The action is running on the account in a system diary. Okay, so basically just show you the best thread tool that help you to auto warming up multiple thread account. If you need this tool or more information, you guys can contact me in my Telegram or WhatsApp, and don't forget to like, subscribe for my channel to see more video about automation tool.